Mothe ne wathera urathiko
no mihango-ini ya gugiaka bururi uyu mundu ake haria ekuhota haria hegutigara ciengi makahaka ki
rangi ne wathera
ona ndirega gukuona uguo
ndirega ona kuona mundu ina thuti ugutiga
no njoke njuri atiri
tiga mundu gwitwo gatonye na Bishop Ben maratherete uguo na maratherete ni interview
andu mathia
o ino ya munene
ndirega kuona mundu uraita tai kameme ona munene wiu
munene ona tikaingi
kai muko muhuthitie kiganda giki ate korwo ndungio hata yugiuka guku tu guika
munene no metukiroraga iguru na nywaru t-shirt ire
guys a senior marketer. You're very nice.
I'm going to the field. I'm going to the field.
Kayarega soprano.
Okoro jogi umera urenda koina gicibao kimwe wenda gutukia thini I'm not part of that.
Where's Muthoni wa Kirumba? Why have you not signed?
Ana gicibao kia ndu
ai hey to gicibao gia gutucokia na mucii.
Did that link have numbers?
Think you're doing a numbers?
Oh, you are wasting our time.
Is it a political show?
How has it brought revenue?
Nega tondu maturoraga ta iria ririko tukumera mitambo ni yathuka ri matihurukaga tiga magitutengeragia no kameme magega gukinya ngori ru imagine ugitongorie ri uta ngengeshwa gatonye
Bishop Ben
ni gukwira ni ningi rucio ndikuhota guka ni ndirathikanire ni ndirora mimero
uretarira ku